Okay, we are videoing now. We have Laser Lemon. How are you, Laser Lemon? You can talk.
Me good.
You okay?
Yeah.
I'm looking at your right ear and a little spot toward the top of the ear that's yellow. How long has it been yellow and infected like that?
For about 2-3 days.
Has it ever happened to you before?
Yes.
It has. And then behind the ear is red and irritated, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I want to show everybody your other ear, so we're going to stop for a moment and then we're going to have you turn over real quick, okay?
Okay.
We're getting real close. If you can see, Gubby Jean, if you move her hair out of the way right there, yeah. You can see she has a very similar structure on the left ear. This one has swollen up and drained before too, hasn't it?
Yes.
Laser Lemon, you have a special condition. You have a little redundancy in the structures of your ears. You have what's called a branchial otic malformation. Have you ever heard of that before?
I Googled it.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so you knew that you have these.
I knew that I had these. I just didn't know they were so rare.
They are very rare. And have you ever seen an ear, nose, and throat surgeon about maybe getting this investigated to see if anything needs to be done for these?
No.
Okay.
My family has them, so I thought it was normal.
So they run in the family. Okay.
Yes.
So the other one, what we're going to do is we're going to drain for you, but there's no cyst or sac that needs to be removed. What needs to happen is we just need to put you on antibiotics and get you well, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we're going to stop for a moment and let you turn back over.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to put this right here. Now, you said your sister had surgery to correct hers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so both of them. So it runs in the family. So you have a really interesting genetic kind of issue in your family. It's not very common, and I bet there's a lot of doctors out there that have never seen these before. There's really nothing we can do to make this less painful, so we'll just kind of do it, okay, and be done real quick, as it would hurt just as much to put an injection in this as it is to do this. Deep breath, and okay, so there you go. So this material tends to build up, and when it does, did that hurt very much?
Yeah.
So you feel that right there. Take a deep breath, and we'll just do a gentle kind of squeeze. There's not a lot in there, okay? It's just very little, and guess what? We got it. It's all out now. Mm-hmm. So I want people to know that are out there right now saying, well, that's going to come back because he didn't get the cyst. There is not a cyst. This is actually a birth defect of sorts, and we need to send her over to ear, nose, and throat to have this further evaluated to see if she does need to have anything done. I don't think she's going to because it's not that severe, and what's going to happen is just sometimes she's going to have this get infected. But we'll find out for sure. That sort of falls into the realm of what an ear, nose, and throat surgeon might do. Gumby Jean, thank you for videoing.
No problem. Hey.
Laser Lemon, thanks for sharing her video on YouTube with all our friends. It's okay with you, right?
Yes. No, thank you.
No, you're welcome. Thank you. And we're going to get you some antibiotics here in just a moment. See this little red down here?
Yeah.
All of this is related to this issue. Brachial otic malformation. Very interesting case today. All right, thanks for sharing.
All right, guys. Bye.
Just as much to put an injection in this as it is to do this. Deep breath, and okay, so there you go.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it can actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.